Good morning. Coming to you this morning with this 06 Dodge. We had to get rid of the death wobble on it, so there was quite a few loose parts. Had to replace the track bar on it and a tie rod end on it, and had to replace the upper and lower control arms and the little cam bolts. Made sure they was anti-seize, so if it's ever got to have front end alignment again, they'll move. I've never ever had a problem with MOOG. Every part's destined to take and wear out, but I put MOOG on because they're the best. They're American made, and they're recognized in all of the states across this nation. I've never had a problem. I pulled this tie rod end off. Had to replace this tie rod end right here. And it's MOOG. So I went and bought a MOOG, brought it back here to the shop, installed it. Then, just for giggles, I went and pulled the old MOOG tie rod end off. Right there it says MOOG Problem Solver. Roll it over here, and it says MOOG on the boot. That's got lifetime warranty. Save the customer $75 on warranty repair instead of digging in their pocket. Because this has been a long road for this gentleman. So if I can save him $75, I'm sure he might be happy with this. But I've never had a problem warrantying these out, and I've had 3 issues with this young person at this store, my parts store that I use quite regular. And wanted to take and try to make a fool out of the whole situation. I could not believe this. There should not be no problem with this whatsoever. But I went and I've never ever made a complaint to a corporate office or anything about anybody. But this time around, this is like a baseball game. 3 strikes, you're out. You're not going to do this. Spend a lot of money there. And I buy a lot of MOOG parts to replace the OEM stuff. I buy it because it's nationwide recognized. If I stand behind it, my vendor better stand behind it also. I actually called up 3 other stores and I told them the situation. One store told me to take that brand new part off, take it back and get my money out of it, come down there and buy the part and put it on here, and they would actually warranty out the old part, and they told me that they'd pay for the new front end alignment to have it realigned back up. You know, now that's saying something. That's saying something. But this really pissed me right off. But we're going to let corporate take care of this one this time. I can't let one bad apple take and ruin it. So, y'all have a great day. And use MOOG parts. Because they're good. They're the best. Y'all have a great day. Be safe out there, and we'll see you around. Thank you.